Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about the Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer. This is something that we have been using for years and years. We moved into our house probably about almost 7 years ago, and we live right up against mountains and hills, so bugs are a huge thing in our home that we have to deal with every single summer, and this has helped so much. This is what it looks like. It is a 24-ounce bottle and it lasts quite a long time. This will help with spiders, ants, cockroaches, centipedes, stink bugs, any kind of bug that kind of gets into your home that becomes a nuisance in the summer. This is going to help. I like to spray it on like the door jambs, the bottom of my doors, my outer doors, like my garage door, my back door, my front door, and it kind of creates like a barrier so that bugs aren't going to get in. This also works as just a bug killer. We get little ant hills or ants that make little homes in the cracks of our driveway sometimes. This will get rid of them for sure. It little goes a long way. Like I said, it really does last a long time. It dries really quickly. I just spray it on, wait for it to dry, and then I can not be worried about my kids running around or my dogs running around. It helps a ton with that. Also, it doesn't stain anything, so it's not going to stain your carpet or anything that you're spraying it on, which I love. It doesn't leave a residue, which is really great. I think if you are somewhere that maybe you get a lot of bugs in your home when it's summertime and you don't want to have to deal with spiders and ants and anything else that might be creepy crawling into your home, I think this would be a perfect product. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.